Okay, number 17. Vector A has a magnitude of 20 and makes a 45-degree angle with the y-axis. Vector B has a magnitude of 10 and makes a 60-degree angle with the x-axis. So vector A is in quadrant 3. So let's get our quadrants numbered. And vector A is in quadrant 3. And it makes a 45-degree angle with the y-axis. So it's 45 here. And so this is A. And that equals 20. And vector B is in quadrant 1. And B is making a 60-degree angle with the x-axis. And its magnitude is 10. All right, so let's break vector A into its x and y components. So A in the x direction would be this component, that's 8. A in the x direction. So AX is going to be equal to the negative cosine of 45 times 20, and that equals negative 14.1. A in the y direction is going to be negative sine 45 times 20. Since cosine and sine of 45 are the same, it's still going to be negative 14.1. Now let's do Bx, By. So B in the x direction is going to, B in the x direction is going to be cosine of 60 times 10. And that's equal to 5. And By is going to be equal to sine of 60 times 10, and that's 8.7. So let's add up. To get the resultant vector in the x direction, we need to add up Ax plus Bx, which equals negative 14.1 plus 5, and that totals negative 9.1. And R in the y direction is AY plus BY, negative 14.1 plus 8.7, and that's going to be negative 5.4. So we have a vector that's looking something like this. To get the resultant vector, we need to do this. Take the square of negative 9.1 and add it to the square of negative 5.4. And when we do that, we get 10.6.